3 of the statements are true, 1 is false. Identify the false statement. Sine of pi over 4, so that's the length of this red line right here, equals cosine of pi over 4. And that is true. The reason why this is because pi is 180 degrees, divided by 4 is 45 degrees. So, if we draw the line to the origin, this triangle here is a 45, 45, 90 triangle, which means that this side is equal in length to this side. Now, because the hypotenuse is 1, we know that the length of this side is the square root of 2 over 2, which you can find using Pythagorean theorem, and the length of this side is also the square root of 2 over 2. So now, with this information, let's move on. So sine of pi over 4 is square root of 2 over 2. Cosine of pi over 4 is also the square root of 2 over 2. This is true. The cosine of 3 pi over 4, so that's this length here, this is going to be negative square root of 2 over 2, because cosine is negative in the second quadrant, equals the sine of 3 pi over 4. So this is not true. Since this is positive square root of 2 over 2, this length here, but this is negative. So this is our answer to the problem. Moving on, we'll just go over the other answers. Cosine of pi over 4, so that's this point, that is the square root of 2 over 2, equals the cosine of 7 pi over 4. 7 pi over 4 is here. The cosine is also the square root of 2 over 2, and it's also positive, so this is true. And finally, cosine of 3 pi over 4, so negative square root of 2 over 2, equals cosine of 5 pi over 4, and that's here. And that is also negative the square root of 2 over 2, since we're to the left of the y-axis. So the answer here is B.